We declare the election of the first respondent as President Elect to be varied under Article 143 of the Constitution. This being a matter cutting across the public interests, we order that each party do bear their own costs. It is so ordered.
The 5th day of September 2022 brought about the culmination of the country's election cycle, with the 7-judge bench of the Supreme Court unanimously upholding the victory of William Ruto as the President-elect by dismissing all of the 9 petitions that had been presented before it to show the need to annul the presidential election.
We have deliberated on this proposition and found that it is not mathematically sound, and that the rounding off done by IEBC and the chairperson was correct. Consequently, we find that the petitioners did not provide a watertight case to warrant the setting aside of the results of the presidential election on the basis of not having met the threshold provided under Article 138(4)(a) of the Constitution.
IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati declared William Ruto as the winner on the 15th of August after garnering 7,176,141 of the votes, representing 50.49% of the total votes cast. His main rival Raila Odinga got 6,942,930 votes, representing 48% of the votes cast.
In Raila Odinga and 5 others versus IEBC petition number 5, 3 and 4 of 2013, this court asserted that rejected ballot papers do not constitute a vote cast to be included in calculating the final tally in favor of a presidential candidate. We are not persuaded by amicus curiae's brief, that is Law Society, who attempted to persuade us to consider our position on this finding. We reiterate that rejected votes cannot be taken into account when calculating whether a presidential candidate attained 50% plus 1 of the votes cast in accordance with Article 138(4) of the Constitution.
The Supreme Court verdict now paves way for the swearing-in of President-elect William Ruto and Deputy President-elect Rigathi Gachagua, which will take place on the 13th of September, that is on Tuesday next week. Kennedy Kimani, Hope TV Newswatch, Nairobi.